Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I edit my Instagram cookie videos using my iPhone. Let's start by selecting iMovie. Now let's click the plus icon to create a new movie. I placed all my clips for this cookie video into an album, but I usually always select from my All Photos folder. Remember when selecting your clips to select them in the order you want them to appear. Otherwise, you'll have to manually arrange them later. Now we can begin editing our video. I usually start at the back and rewind to see a quick glimpse or a quick snippet of all the clips that I selected. When I'm satisfied with the clips that I have chosen, then I find my starting point. Before cutting out any parts, I make sure to mute my clips to make sure there's no background noise that shows on my videos, since when I film, I usually listen to YouTube. When I edit my Instagram videos, I make sure to cut out parts where I pause a lot. Remember that your Instagram videos are a preview or a quick glimpse of your work. Here's the part that I don't want, so I'm deleting it. Simply select it and click delete. Here's another look at finding wasted time in my video. I'm going to speed it up to make sure that you're able to see the entire edit. Just in case you are wondering, the entire video or the entire edit was 17 minutes long. In real time, I did go ahead and condense it into 4 minutes for the sake of the video. Don't forget that if you do have any questions regarding the editing, you can leave them in the comment box below. Another tip I can give you is that while editing or filming, also take into account any and all equipment or products that you want to showcase. When using products, remember to show them in the middle of the frame to make sure that when Instagram cuts your video to a square, the products or the equipment shows in the middle of the video. Also, remember to delete any parts that aren't very visible on Instagram, since people watch it on their phones or iPads. For example, I am taking out this part where I'm adding glitter because it's not that much visible on Instagram. And in the same point, also remember to cut out parts that are repeated or parts where you are simply fixing or adjusting something in your video repeatedly. A feature that I love to take advantage of is the zoom in feature. Remember that there's a zoom in feature. Simply select your clip, select the plus icon with the looking glass, and pinch your clip out to zoom in. Now let's go back and speed up our clipped version of the video using the little speedometer. Take the little cursor and move it towards the rabbit. On our final run through, we're checking if our edited version is less than 1 minute long. If not, we will go back and delete snippets to make sure that our video fits on Instagram's time criteria. I usually like to keep my videos between 35 to 50 seconds long. When I'm satisfied with my video, I go back and add my favorite song. It's called Lifting Dreams, and you can find it on the YouTube library in the Calm Instrumental section. After adding my song, I did go back and mute a few clips that I forgot to mute beforehand. Once I'm finished, I do go ahead and save my video and wait to post it. You can see the final version of this video on my Instagram, and I'll insert my Instagram handle here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video was a little bit helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!